Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be going through question 217 contains a duplicate on Leetcode as part of our blind 75 list. So this is actually a pretty simple question, so let's just go through it. So if you're given an integer, nums, you want to return true if any item appears at least twice in the array and false otherwise. So basically here you want to return true because one appears twice. Here you want to return false because each of them are unique. Here you want to return true because you actually have multiple duplicates. One appears 3 times, 3 appears 3 times as well, etc. Now, if this was something like at least thrice or at least 4 times, then we would really need to keep count of all of the items in the array, right? We would need to keep count of how many times a 1 occurred, how many times a 2 occurred, and then basically in the end just check if it was greater than, like whichever number you want to check for. But given that it's just twice, all we really need to check is, does this item repeat or not? And if you think about it, the easiest way to do this is through a Python set. So basically, actually a set in general, it doesn't have to be a Python set. But basically what you can do is you can go through the nums, right? And then all you want to really check is if the item is in the set, then what does it mean? Well, it means that we've added it in the past, right? And remember, set just keeps one copy of everything. It's a set. It doesn't keep duplicates. So if it already exists, then you know that, okay, with this item, at least my count is going to be at least 2. It might be more, it might be like much more, but at least it's going to be 2. So then here we can just return true. Otherwise, if it's not in the set, then we're just going to add it to the set. And then in the end, if we don't ever return true, then we know that each of the items were unique. So then here we can return false. So here I just click submit, and then yeah, it's basically probably easier than like two-sum, to be honest. But yeah, that's how you do this question. And because of the set, it's going to be 09 space. Sorry, not 09, 0n space. So order of n space, and also like order of n time too, because we're looping through the array.